Hello everyone, my name is Ekaterina and let's talk today about cross-cultural management. Today we will touch such topics as globalization, nowadays trends, and also we will look at some global communication, some aspects of cultural dimensions, and look at the situation in Finland. The business world, become more global nowadays, and we can easily employ someone from other country, from other side. We need to negotiate with a company from other countries as well, and so often employees of domestic companies will likely encounter someone from other country as well. And nowadays trends suggest that immigration and so movement of people from their home country to other country will continue to grow in all the world, and this process will contribute to making companies' personnel increasingly diverse, and many multinational companies rely on immigrants to run their local operations. So often foreign employees move to and works in another country for an extended period of time. All of those trends means that during the life we can meet someone from different culture, and the potential for cross-cultural tension is so high. It's important to know the international management, to understand culture, and to be better prepared for dealing with different kinds of people and for different categories of people in different situations. And according to Geert Street, a Dutch social psychologist, culture is a collective programming of the mind. It tells people which behavior are acceptable and which is not acceptable in any society. It affects most everything we do, see, feel, and believe. And if we think about any aspects of our life, for sure they are influenced by our culture. The food we eat, for example, the clothes we wear, and even how we communicate with our boss, teachers, and these also are influenced by our culture. Society develop culture, norms, and values to help their members in adapting to their environments. And sure, at work is so much important as well. Understanding of culture is very important for a manager in the global environment. It helps to avoid misunderstanding or tensions of human communication, and Hofstede models of national culture is the most powerful tools for understanding cultural differences. And according to this model, in our society we have cultural dimensions such as power distance, uncertainty avoidance, individualism and collectivism, municipality or femininity, long-term or short-term orientation, and indulgence or restraints. And for example, on this picture, we can observe that individualism is very high, for example, in the USA, and low in China. Power distance is very high in China and low in Switzerland and Germany. And uncertainty avoidance is very high in Brazil and low in China. And masculinity is very high in Switzerland and Germany and low in Brazil. Those indexes shows us different mind between culture, and we can understand how to deal with culture and around the world, and understand better the right way to deal with employees from other countries. And according to Geert Hofstede culture is a mind of collective programming that differentiates between one category of people and members of one group from others. And going through such dimensions as power distance, uncertainty avoidance, or individualism, collectivism, masculinity or femininity, or confessional dynamism, or individuals and indulgence restraints. We should look at the situation in Finland. And really in the past, Finns had entreaties and attitudinal severity toward foreigners with different cultures. Moreover, Finnish employers had negative attitudes toward foreigners who were usually blamed for deteriorations of the working conditions. Those prejudices were caused by fear, language problems, and different customs. By the attitude were not affected, and they were not affected by religion, colors of skin, or the need for supervision. However, nowadays, the globalization trend, we see that a flow of immigrants coming to Finland, and Finnish employers are changing their attitudes and overcoming stereotypes and prejudices, and they even consider those differences related to cultures and backgrounds of their employees as a company benefits and competence in the market, and expanding their benefit businesses into other countries as well. So it's really for nowadays for many Finnish companies to have employees from different countries. It's a big benefit. And let's look what will happen in the future. Thank you for being with me, and here you can find the sources which I have used to prepare this presentation. And sure, if you have any question, you are welcome to leave some comments, and I will sure answer for you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.